Okay, good morning. We're live, I think. Starting off the day on my Twitter profile so we can brag about how wonderfully we've traded since June 19th. Got the hair under control today. Looking smooth in the camera. Looking good. Just feeling better. Feeling better all around. A lot of energy today. Gonna be gone in 20 minutes, guaranteed. But for now, feeling good. Alright, so let's go over some performance metrics. I am the blue line. I am the one who knocks. S&P is this, gold, tan, orange, little ugly color. NASDAQ is gray. NASDAQ has barely eked out some outperformance. But every time the NASDAQ and the S&P go down, it seems like I get a little bit of separation in terms of alpha. Ooh, eyes are watery this morning. Boy, it's early. It's cold out there, folks. It's a clear and cool 57 degrees outside. All right. Well, do we have anyone doing a space right now? I don't know. I guess not. All right. We'll move that over there. Let's see. Okay, where is that one gonna pop up? Right there. Okay. So that screen is on that screen. Let's see. Oh yeah, we can sneak it by. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Okay. Got our two trading platforms open. One is on the small screen. One will be on the big screen. Nothing will be on that big screen except for what you guys are looking at. $5.44. Let's see who's live. Live and alive. Oh, I'm live. Oh, prank. Prank. What are these guys doing?
In the last couple of days, if you look at this daily, you can see the huge increase in volume on the daily, guys. 68 million, 100 million per day. That's more than what they usually do, so I like that. They're getting more volume, getting more attention. If you guys have been trading for a while, remember that Neo has been very, very active in the past and can trade very well. Was one of our favorite tickers at one point.
Yeah.
The map, but it looks like they're back on it this morning. So we'll put that on our main list there. Usually doesn't trade very well.
This is typically not at all how I make a watch list. Why are these guys standing at like a hotel concierge desk? Does this guy even have a computer? Was he looking at just one screen? That's no way to be. I don't know. This is like normal, it seems. And the gap ups. I had Palantir last week for a trade, like a 2 or 3 day trade. I don't know if I still got it. But we can work on that. We can get our watch list ready. I guess we'll turn this shit up. A dollar. He says dollar, and I say dollar. $2,005 million.
Look at the volume here, guys, how light it is. Volume is so important. So when you got a stock that's only trading 1.9 million shares per day.
I mean, volume's nice. To be honest, I do only screen for stocks with 1 million in volume. So that means some of the non-large cap stocks, they'll only show up once on my screener. Whereas, say, if a Google gets to the low end of my range, it's going to show up like every day, because Google's going to have 1 million in volume every single day, pretty much. But say like a Monster Energy or like a Celsius, like Monster might show up a couple times. Who knows if Celsius will ever even make it onto my my screener to buy. That's not to say that I don't have like a watch list for those that just don't have enough volume. A lot of them are the longs that the hedge eye analysts recommend or that they like, have a positive view on. But that's kind of my way around it. So, like, I don't worry about all these, meme-esque stocks like on the footwear company. Okay, so what do we got? We got a little bit of AAAU, got Acadia Health, Acadia Pharmaceuticals, Agree Realty Corp, AMLP, ANET, Arista Networks. What's this doing? Okay, so ANET, Arista Networks, it's up a little bit in the pre-market. It's not going to be enough to get me green, but I may be selling out of that today. Okay, BNDD, that's the quadratic deflation ETF. Then I need to add Boyd Gaming. Yeah, what do you know? Well, I just follow the price action. So you're typically late? Day late, dollar short? BYD, CNHI, Corn, DBA. Okay, so we bought the AGs. Doesn't look like that was a great... doesn't look great. That was not the most wonderful thing to do. But I didn't buy much. I just happened to buy a couple different ETFs, like corn, the Deutsche Bank commodity agriculture ETF, but it's oversold. So that's just that fact. It's oversold. All right, corn, DBA. Graph Tech, which just I'm at my minimum in EAF. I'm up 15% on a minimum position. There's just There's just not much to do. El Dorado Gold Corp. Got that. Let me make sure. Yep, got that. EMR, Emerson Electric. GLD, Gold. iGov. How's that doing? How are rates doing today? Actually, let me just shut these guys up. These fucking blabbering oafs. Don't know. I don't know how good they could be. Let's put it that way. Any other type of shit? What in the hell? We got DaBaby and Andrew Tate popping up on my YouTube shorts. It's like, can we get some worse men, please? iGov, KRBN, NNN, Nova, yep, O, Realty, O, PCT, Rollins, RRR, at a minimum position in silver. Sovo Brands. I have not traded Sovo very well this year. SSNC. What is that? Technology Holdings. Industrials. Okay. Stag Industrial Inc. Tags, TAGS. It's agriculture. UHS. Valvoline. That's Mark Martin, baby. Number 6. In that number 6 Valvoline machine. And then we got WIT, which is WePro. And then XHS, the Healthcare Services ETF. Alright, so we're locked and loaded. I switched soaps today and I don't like it. It smelled way different in the store than it did going on. Hate that. Alright, so that's all taken care of. We got 7 minutes till 6. Okay, yeah, let's make some content. Let's see, I'm questioning, do I want to finish making this sheet? So I'm gonna make this regardless. I'm gonna do that. What the hell? Question is, do I want to fill this part out? Because I can get this stuff from Hedgeye. I'll probably just do the oversold and overboughts. Okay, let's take a look. All right, first, what sectors are bullish and bearish? Let's start with what are bearish, because that should be shorter. GDX and GDXJ. Alright, no border over there. Beautiful. Okay, so we have only two bearish sectors, and they're both gold miners. So it'd be the GDX and then GDXJ. So the big gold miners and the small gold miners. Oversolds. Let's take a look. A little look-see. Oversold. 2-year yield is oversold. It's going to be weird to fit in here. Okay, 2-year yield's oversold. Okay, so we're going to be taking profit on bonds today. Nasdaq's almost overbought. Okay, so then corn, wheat. Ooh, copper's way oversold. Overbought. Alright, almost oversold. Not really anything. No. Nope. And almost on natural gas, but it's not. Overbought. Nope. Almost. Dollar yen, almost. Damn, I closed out of that. Well, would have made a little bit more. Overbought. Nasdaq's almost overbought. Copper is for sure overbought. Crude is now overbought. That's it. Okay, almost overbought. No. Gold, yeah, sure. Almost. Nasdaq is almost overbought. Ethereum's getting close. That's gonna be it. Oops. How do we do a screenshot? I work on a Mac and then I have a PC at home, so I'm always getting them switched up. Save that. That'll go in the daily Momo folder. Alright, and then we are ready to post. The last one, I guess. It's hard to type with this microphone over the keyboard. It just throws everything off. So we got that, and it's now 6. So that means Hedge Eye should be live. So that means I'm gonna get quiet.
But again, it's not how we look at it. It's just to kind of get you going in the morning. Like again, if you're trying to differentiate your business or your returns, so that you don't get body bagged when everyone who's only long body bagged, which of course happened last year and routinely happens. When you're on the wrong side of the cycle, you still have opportunities elsewhere. It's not just long Japan, we're long India, we're long South Korea was up again last night.
Tesla is getting puts in Tesla are getting pretty cheap. I don't know. I don't know if I'd do it yet, but it's getting there.
Major currencies, and I'm not talking about trading Russian rubles or Argentine pesos, which continue to crash against dollars, which is really bad for the people of Russia and Argentina, for that matter. Currently, as Josie pointed out last week, Argentina is running with like 112% reported inflation and negative 5 GDP. But here, we get to take advantage of it because this has been good for our equity position and it's been good for our currency position. So again, all of our lovely teams, of course, point number 2 this morning is inflation. Everybody knows what that is. When I got up this morning, it wasn't up. Now it's up a full, wow, look at that. It's up points. It's over 81 now. Top end of the range is actually higher than that. Every single day, I get higher lows and higher highs within a bullish trade trend breakout for what? Now that is, again, just outright inflationary. It's called inflation reacceleration. We've been making that call now since I think 5 weeks at least. So now, the bond market's clearly figured this out. And I think that's obvious, with the 10-year yield being up 12 basis points last week, or the 2-year yield not going down. So this is where we're at. And it mattered to the equity market, don't forget, on Thursday. But don't forget, and have a fundamental respect for people being forced to chase performance. So again, when you're running other people's money, OPM, it doesn't really matter what the fundamental is. It matters what the performance bogey is. So again, that's a real important dynamic that has sucked people into markets, whether it be 1987, in and around this time going into October, or be it at other points in the cycle. This is a really interesting setup where the yield curve hasn't changed. We obviously have inflation rising at a faster rate. We have oil prices now are up roughly 17% in a month. I mean, gas prices, if you look at our Bob, are up more than that. Orange juice, bacon and eggs, I showed it all this morning. I mean, look at that. Those are even.
Oh my gosh.
Bacon and eggs, love that. Bacon up 11, eggs up 17 in a month. Doesn't that matter to like those? Probably when I go down to the lake in Thunder Bay, people aren't all on the keto. I mean, this is like this is for real. Orange juice up big time. I mean, orange juice is now up 24% in a month. Okay, so it's there. The people know it. The fourth turning is point number 3. Short height. If you look at the implied vol data, first of all, you want to see it bounce like it just did. It's very typical to get kind of like a risk on. Let's buy some high yield supplies. But again, it's versus if you're just to look at one thing, which I would not have you do, but as an example, first of all, I'm not short spy. I might put a red eye on it. But again, if you look at plus 55% implied vol premium rate at the top of the page for the S&P 500, that stands in sharp contrast if you go all the way down to the fixed income column, where it says minus 16% next to HYG. That's one of the biggest, or one of the deepest implied volatility discounts. It implies that the street, of course, is again not buying puts like I'll buy today, but again, trading puts in HYG JFK. We had one day yesterday where we made a pile, and all we had to do was be there for a day on those puts. And again, I showed this over the weekend. I was actually, impressed with myself. Backslide. But I looked, Josie, okay, let's look at all the short sales I've made since we went bearish on the cycle. They're like almost 800. That's a lot, right? And the batting average is over 84%. Right? Then I looked at it, I was like, okay, well, people that hate that, and never in the history of short selling is that a bad thing in a market. that's across a lot of touches, 280 touches. And so what I wanted to call out there is not only will nobody else call it out unless I call it out, so I have to, which is kind of embarrassing, right? It's like saying, hey, look, I had 6 hat tricks. I mean, nobody on Wall Street's going to talk about what I just said. Nobody wants anybody to know because they need you to think that I'm just this big bear who's getting his ass handed to him, while his personal account on the long-only side is making new all-time highs. So it's the difference is timing, and the difference can be between some of you and I on timing, which if you were honest with yourself, you'd admit you have a lot of work to do in terms of your timing and your size. But in terms of like a market that's just done, in particular the last, really since we're old enough to remember in March when Wall Street was begging for a bailout again from these banks, and they got one. Remember that? Well, it's going to happen again in the fourth term. Okay? So we made a lot of money into that. We risk managed it pretty well throughout this rally, and that's what I just wanted to call out there. Because again, I'm not shorted junk and high yield all of the time. I've shorted it for 20 different months, and now we're going to make it under lower odds. So I'm going to get myself right there, and that's what just got me off the showing off statistics. That's it. I had to do it, Joe. You had to look at the stats. Like, how bad have I been? That's when we stopped shorting tech and we weren't bullish, that was a pretty good decision. It doesn't matter. Because the fourth term. So no matter what I say or what I did or what I say from here or what I do, a large community of people on the old wall and in its media will say I hate people health. Okay? That's the same as a Republican, big-time Republican hating a Democrat hating a Republican. It's the same as people hating you saying this about whatever and that about whatever. That's what it is. People want and need to believe where they're parked. Okay? All I want to do is get, again, our hard-earned capital, which puts us on this very apolitical path, which is really good. So Neil Howe used this quote today. This is going to take a while to get through in terms of quoting the whole damn thing because he's got so many good ones. Neil's got good one-liners too. Welcome to the early and awkward emergence of the next American Republic. Right? It's a morning. It's a fine morning, isn't it, in America? Remember that whole industry called crypto? Watch. It's like, yeah. I just retweeted it. I just downgraded his upgrade. On total bullshit. According to God. But you wake up in America. Over 2 years ago, everyone, real vision, pumping people into this stuff that you wouldn't believe. Sandbankment fraud getting away with living in the Bahamas, living long. Today, Coinbase cannot trade. The SEC said you cannot trade anything other than Bitcoin. You're halted in every one of these bullshit things. That happened. B-REIT, pretty big thing. I think crypto and B-REIT, the biggest real estate fund, I think, non-listed REIT in the history of the world. Well, now they're net seller of everything because they want to invest in AI. Like, you can't make this shit up. Yet in that case, you have a very privileged company with some billionaires that really get their own way and say whatever they want. Because the SEC is not going to go after Blackstone, but they will go after Ludicrous or whoever's manipulating that paper. I don't know. That guy's pretty powerful. So again, think of all the things that are going on, and at the same time, your task is to remain sober. What is to say that what was .com, what became blockchain, what became all this what is to say that that is not going to be AI within 6 months or even 6 days? Right? And Apple has similar to New Haven, because you have all the elites that live in a very close proximity to the campus. And if you, I told Jack, I'm like, look, if I took a driver and hit the driver as far as I could, I could shank it and be in abject poverty in the anywhere. Like, life in America is getting worse and faster than it's going. Nobody recognizes that. Well, maybe some people do. Some make very good. That's what
So I'm looking for my YouTube chat. Not that there's anyone in here yet.
Every single dollar, every single fluffed up deficit spending dollar for the government to try to offset.
Got to make it like a month streaming before people start showing up. I can't figure out where to find it. I've seen it before. Tools. Yeah. I know it's on YouTube, so we'll just try it there. Alright, yep. It's just me. A little better, maybe not. We'll fix it. I don't know. Guess I'll just look at it there.
Friday was, everything was kind of up on Friday. Volume though wasn't, and that's getting pretty consistent with what's been going on here. It was the case on no volume. You look at Asia, already recapped. I mean, move index by the way is still at 110, so it's there, and there's no. It's been an excellent, all the things that I've had to do. You got to get all of the classes more right and wrong. I think we've done a very good job of teaching a lot of things on TLT. People got absolutely immersed and fresh out of that. We did not for having any materialized LT.
Let's see. What's TLT look like?
What else we got going on for you this morning?
Because I remember Hugh Hendry was telling people to buy the tilts. The tilts. You gotta buy the tilts. But it may be back to where he was buying. I feel like he bought at this price at the end of 2022. So here we are. You've gone 7 complete months. And you've made $9 a share. $8. About $8 a share. Alright, let's figure that out, shall we? New minus old over old. Okay, so it's less than I thought. Well, so you could be up 8.67% if you bought the absolute low in TLT at the end of last year. And at times you could have sold out, and I I don't know. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. Because he's looking at a couple years into the future. Maybe. I think that's how he trades. Still, that's a lot of volatility to sit through, actually. That is a good point. This bottom paragraph. This bottom paragraph makes a lot of sense. So this is so Hugh Hendry talks about the lost depression, or that the U.S. is in a depression, and I think Jeff Snyder kind of talks about this as well. It's good to see other people calling out this huge drop in trend. A huge drop in trend rate of, or I guess this is just trend growth. This is just growth. This is just nominal U.S. GDP. I don't know if it's fair to think of that as lost. I mean, it's like a correction, right? We look at stocks and a correction is healthy. I don't know. This only goes back to 2001, so I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe these charts should go back to the founding of the country. I don't know. Because what are we actually measuring here? Because stocks literally they go up and then they go down and then they go back up and then they go down. They do that all the time. Why wouldn't a civilization do the same? As it ebbs and flows with the labor force, birth rates, standard of living, that type of stuff. Why wouldn't that happen? Because 2008 really changed a lot of stuff. Yeah. This note from Keynes. Anything we can actually do, we can afford. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. We were building a shit ton of houses before the global financial crisis, and then we stopped because of fear of it happening again, I guess. Which is nuts. I wonder if Jeff Snyder has picked up on that return to the trend. That's interesting.
Number one question here, Ryan from Ireland. Context question. What are the key on this right now? Given that the government spending over GDP is different and I think that's the underlying by and large
Nah, I don't care. I'm not gonna tweet that. Okay, we've got little over 5 minutes. Now you know it's showtime. We are within 5 minutes.
Okay, let's have time for one question from Brazil. Brazil Central Bank voice. What's the implication for Brazil?
Yeah. Yeah, there's no way to know what is going to signal today. I guess you can assume it's not going to be tech. You can assume it's not going to be energy. Energy is probably going to signal a short today. But let's take a look at that. Where's in? Okay, so it's going to. So energy is going to gap up 86.54 is the price I'm seeing. That's huge. Wow. Okay. Huge gap up, right? Okay, so I don't have any shorts on. The only things I should be down on in general should be my agriculture. Dang, I'm gonna be wearing those. It's a 50 basis point position though in each of the. Corn is going to be down 2%, 2.44%. Oof. That's wearing it. You could probably buy the dip in the S&P. You could probably buy the dip in Apple. Industrials, maybe. All right, 20 seconds. It's getting cold now that I lifted the blinds, the window. Okay, we're live. Wit, silver. Boom, out of silver. Acadia. I'm up a little bit. Oh wow, 3% gain on Acadia. Oh hell yeah. Okay, out of Acadia. Damn, I wish I had more. Gold, AAU, AMLP, yep. Nice 1% gain on AMLP. Graphtech, yeah, all these things I'm already at a minimum on. Ugh, that's fucking annoying. EMR. Out of that 77 basis point gain. Okay, so the ags are signaling that they are on sale. Again, obviously. I don't see any reason not to take it. Not at the moment. I'm gonna do a search on my screener. Fuck, just missed it. It was going slow, so I switched to another one. And then it populated as soon as the screen was switching, of course. Fuck, this thing's going super slow. Okay, so I'm slightly green. Getting more green. Okay, so it's what are the big losers? Corn. TAGS. That's about it. Okay, and these screeners aren't working. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna try this again. What? Whoa. It's too much. Alright, what is going on then? Why did that not capture just that? I'm gonna open up Thinkorswim again. Hopefully everything's fixed. Okay. Okay. Weird. Okay, now we're working. Okay, so... Whoa, okay, what else we got? Just stuff I'm at my minimum in. Gold, PCT, WePro. I guess I've got to buy the ags, and yeah, we got oil signaling to short a little bit. I don't know if I want to do that. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just buy some ags. We're going to buy a little bit of carbon, KRBN. Alright, we set a buy order, limit order for TAGS, but I bought more DBA and KRBN. Is that right? I at least bought KRBN. I've got orders out for DBA and TAGS right now. You know, I'm gonna nibble a little bit on ERY. We'll do 50 basis points. And if it's oversold tomorrow, we'll do 50 basis points again. I think it's probably just good to have some breaks on the portfolio. Alright, looks like Red Rocks RRR is on sale. Wow, big drop. Big drip. Yeah, that's a good spot. You just gotta have faith. Alright, put a new limit order in. Yeah, I might just don't market. That thing's... It's at the bottom of the range. Oh, no, I got it. Okay. Yep, just looks like Red Rock Resorts. And Ford, but I don't want to buy Ford. I just don't love car manufacturers. I like the companies that take care of cars, but I don't like the car makers. Okay, the account's going up a little faster now. The apartment next door. It's the trash man taking their massive dumpsters out. Sometimes they come at 4:30 in the morning, and that's great. Okay, account is up, I think 8 basis points. I didn't record what my account started at today, so I'll have to figure it out, some other time, some other way. But I think the account is up 8 basis points. And the S&P is up 24, NASDAQ's up 30, Dow is up 16 basis points. Alright, we got any X spaces going on? Not much to buy right now. Let's see. Anything else? Gold. My one gold miner, El Dorado, is close to where I would trim it. I'm probably just gonna sell all of it. And that would be because gold miners are bearish, as we already determined before the market opened. Yeah, I'm gonna start trimming. I'm gonna get a head start selling. Sell my highest cost. Yep. Okay. Alright, we're trimming. We are trimming. Incredible. It's weird having something right up in your face. Alright, so that's probably the best spot for the microphone. Okay, but El Dorado. So I'm below 50 basis points on it. I just need one last push, and I'm going to be all out of El Dorado. Starting from a 50 basis point position, going to nothing. So it might need to get to like $9 and, maybe 30 cents. New high of day might hit my sell signal. Got some other ones. Boyd, oh beautiful. Let's jump out of that soon. Boom, out of there. CNHI, boom, out of there. 3% gain on CNHI. Nova, Sunnova, 4.3% gain. Boom, out of there. Still waiting on El Dorado. I think El Dorado's going the wrong direction. Okay. Let's see. Is this better? What if we're chilling way down low? So Eldorado's got a little bit longer. It's getting close before I'm just gonna do a just stop out of the whole trade, a trailing stop out of the whole thing. Okay, there we go. We're close. We are close. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna jump out. EGO. I'm gonna take my almost 3% profit. 2.88% on those shares. Wow, gold is signaling almost overbought. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm gonna jump out of gold. So I'm all out of GLD, but I do hold, I am at a minimum position of AAAU, and I will not sell that right now. Okay, I'm going to buy a little more DBA. Have I bought yet? I don't see it. No. Okay. Bought more DBA. That's a nightmare. Man, it is cold. forgot to turn the microphone on. Okay, so I just sold out of SSNC, and I'm about to sell out of BNDD. Small loss. Why am I selling out of that? Not sure why I just sold all out. It's fine. I just sold all out of BNDD. Probably a good idea. Probably good, because if rates are oversold, then that means deflation has just happened. Okay, S&P is flat. I am up 8 basis points. The sun is starting to come out. I'm fucking freezing because I got this window open, but it was warmer when I first sat down and the window was shut. The next closest thing. Okay, so it looks like stuff was going up, then it sold off. Now it looks like we've met like some sort of we've found some sort of support here. I'm up 8 basis points. S&P is down 3. Dow Jones is up 4 or 5. I might just cut one of my biggest losers I haven't added to. Okay, so UHS and Valvoline, but those aren't down hardly at all. That should work. Alright, so Market might be turning around here. Dollar's going down. VIX kind of going up. Commodities, the agriculture commodities got a bid. Fuck that. Fuck, it's cold. Yep, rest of the country's burning up. I am freezing with my window open this morning. No real dips to buy. Definitely no options today. Anything else? Maybe nothing right now. Hedges. Yeah, just ERY is the only thing signaling that to buy right now. So no stocks. No stocks in my two screeners. No ETFs to get long. And the only thing to get short is short. Is this energy or is it oil? Energy. That's probably fair. It's really fair. Get short energy equities. I mean, see, my thing is I don't get like this style of just like, you know, going and looking at the charts like after you find out that these things have like shot up a lot in the day when like you were never going to trade them or you didn't trade them. I find that a little unhelpful. But maybe he's been doing this a lot longer than I have, so maybe that's that. this way: S&P, 2-year, 10-year, NASDAQ, natural gas, euro dollar, Ethereum, crude oil. So that's pretty good.
What is might start heating up? 81 is insane. I think they were talking about. I think Brent crude was a 2 standard deviation move in the last month. So in a weird way, like ever since the Saudi stuff, it's been a subtle run up. It's been pretty much a lag for like 3 weeks, and then afterwards, it just went crazy.
Yeah, oil's up, so inflation's gonna be up. Palantir. Palantir.
Dollar General, Airbnb at the low. Marriott still holding, SYM still going. OTRX, this is its 8th high of the day. QTRX. Like it's barely moving, but it's going up to the high. You think AMD is going to do bad? Not necessarily. I like the price they are at. I wanted to make a pre-earnings run up, but I don't know. It just depends. AMD, if they're going to do bad, it's going to be interesting to stack it up against like Intel and all that, but at the same time, like companies like Intel did good. I think Texas Instruments, they kind of warmed a little bit, so we're going to find out. But overall, my play, getting in, getting out, and no release of earnings. I just $2 a share for $500. So I just put it out.
N. All right, we got some action now. Triple net lease. So I'm gonna sell this. It's up 40 basis points for the day, but I'm gonna be down 130 basis points on that trade.
I mean, we're right below 4,600. Coinbase is going up. So after we recover that little sell-off, I mean, you have enough juice to go both ways, but I mean, you're closer to a new solid level than further away from it. Spotify's on the high. Qscaler's still going. Remember, Spotify had a lot of back and forth from the earnings last week. Monday, good morning, my friend. Welcome to
Not gonna believe this, but I think T-Mobile might be on sale. T-Mobile is. Wow, that's pretty expensive. Yeah. Not the best price, but pretty good for today. The Merc Jerk. Yeah, so
Coinbase still going. That's like the big high breakout here I called out. Again, it just randomly throughout the day do itself, but it's up 4%. So we actually have a lot of runners. Day's getting collapsed.
yeah, okay. T-Mobile, I bought it. Down a little bit, but that's cool.
Go work out in it. That's what I'm telling you, bro. It hits. It hits. God bless you, my friend. Good morning. Face, couch face. Her face. Couch face. HD Palantir, 52-week high, 1973.
Keeps calling it Palantir. Palantir. That's great.
Good way to play for if you were going to ahead of the earnings, but I thought they already ran up.
Palantir.
I'm just not in the road.
Palantir. Yeah, Palantir. What the fuck?
Johnson and John, it was on Friday. We were actually here.
Wow, I look different from up here, from this shot. Okay, that's fine. I can see everything, and now I'm standing. It's kind of uncomfortable just sitting, but this fucking window is so fucking cold. Okay, so I'm up 11 basis points. S&P's up 9. That's cool.
Up here, Tupperware again. I feel like a lot of the small cap runners over the last couple of days are literally just still in the game. Tupperware, so that's up 15%. You watch that run the last 3 days in a row, I'm pretty sure. That's earnings, they're holding up 11.38, they're 20%. Even is at that last in.
Oh no, T-Mobile's dumping. Now would be the perfect spot to get in. But Palantir.
Oil products rose 2 million barrels in May versus 2.63, 2.9 in May versus 2.63 in April. BioMarin earnings are going to be today, so it's either we could get out now or take the
SARK is signaling. Yep, time to start building the shorts. That makes sense to me. I'm going to go 50 basis points into SARK. Boom, boom, boom. Got it. Yeah, we had to pump out a quick tweet so people know we're still here. Of course. All right, what are we looking at? SARK. So yeah, it's on the lows, and that's, I mean, obviously that's where you want to buy it. So you got to be brave, and then you just got to buy it. T-Mobile, bug. T-Mobile's puking. You know, that's the unfortunate part about some of these old, like, weird companies, like hated companies like T-Mobile. I don't want to buy again. Because it's a expensive stock. And I'm a brokey. All right, so wheat selling off harder, corn just selling off. Everything's kind of going down. The VIX isn't like spiking. Alright, nothing to do.
They started to come back down. Roku's is ripping, about to break out. Then he got Tupperware. That's all.
Tupperware.
Roku, I think you gotta keep calling for 100. You might get it. It's going nuts.
Yeah, Roku's gonna hit 100 for sure. It is known.
Take on that 76. That's weird. We're yellow. Everybody's saying that the yen reaction the day before it batted it down, and then the first purchases by the Bank of Japan didn't shock anybody, but it is very, very counterintuitive right now. I'm also thinking it's going to continue. We got to give it that, but I'm so old in the yen now. We're down on it. So flat foot. We still have the random play so far. The Lancer keeps going. Another 52-week high. Those will be the main event this Friday. Share? Fuck out of here. Disney. I like Disney. I mean, the Disney shares free run up now. Like I said, all it takes is one day. It might come back down, but that was probably the only play. Other than that, if PayPal or Unity to get cheap, which I don't know will happen, and Airbnb, I think you're going to get some there too. Like a small account, I mean. No idea what we're talking about. Other than that, I don't know why we have a small account play. I go with Jared. Again, I like all those things. I think they've all hit so far. Or yen, I said now I'm down on. Now's your time to buy the Japanese yen. So again, anybody who's asking me prior, telling you don't buy it when we're up on it. Now this would either be the average down or even give it a day, let it fall off a little bit more.
Cold. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, cold, cold.
Oh, the random play. Well, there you go. That's a random. Not called anything else but the random account. But that was like a model play. It's a random play. I think that's a very could have jumped
Too cold. Too cold.
Like big techs in this
Freezing.
I feel like some of the big techs out in like trailing behind Disney is like kind of up there.
Alright, healthcare services is knocking on the door. Pretty low liquidity. See, it's like hard to see this one.
The question is, how high does it? If Airbnb goes up and rips up another dollar or two before the end of earnings, I may want to grab more puts, but right now we're keeping it away where it works out fair. Ideally, we can identify puts right before it turns and get all the premium. That would be the best. Otherwise, maybe even sell calls.
Wow, okay, UHS. Damn.
I think Airbnb
Damn, UHS. We're gonna have to take a look at that.
Airbnb has a good earnings. I think Airbnb has $170, $200 potential on liquidity. And then, however, if they have a bad earnings, we're talking.
Guess we're holding.
All the way down
That
to
sucks.
So, options or shares, either way, the options are kind of skewed. And the good part about Airbnb is that the options are all in one direction. So there's no premium on the downside, only premium on the upside. If you want to go for the contrarian play, you can save a lot of money, and if again, if it ends up being correct, you'll be a lot better off. I think Airbnb is a power kick. It's okay earnings. I don't think you're gonna. There's no such thing as okay earnings. In the sense that no matter, even if. So even then, that's why I think it's gonna be a power kick.
Hiya.
Guidance is stronger or lower.
So we're looking at XHS because I own it,
Just like I've been telling you.
but I'm down 13 basis points on it. It's up 40 basis points, and there are less than 6,000 shares that have traded today. I think some people are picking up on it because it was just at like it was less than 4,000 when I first looked at it like 5 minutes ago. So I'm going to set a limit sell order.
Companies coming out early. Usually they got good earnings, and vice versa. Some people say it's all assumption based. You never know. So like it's just an assumption.
And I'm just going to set a sell order right above where I bought it. We're not there yet, but could be.
Property. I saw your email. The one in Arizona. I like that one. I love it. 70,000, 80,000. Starting to an Airbnb camp. I like it a lot. I feel it. I think that's why we're talking about options early. So honestly, I wouldn't even get. I think the options wouldn't even be a trap on Airbnb. The only thing I like about it is that again, the calls are jacked up, and then the puts are cheap, so they know that there's something cheaper there. But other than that, I mean, it's I should wait for that. But I'm thinking Airbnb has at least $20 both ways after the report. Worker strike is affecting grain shipments for urgent Phillips going over Ontario.
Okay, the portfolio is up 12 basis points. We're getting there.
I'll make a video. I looked at property. I kept forgetting about the house. And then wasn't getting, and the tenant's a dickhead, honestly. But I just looked at the fucking comp. I got a comp on one of my small properties, and it's disgusting. I was mind blown. So I'm gonna make a small property video for you, but definitely get out there. Is there a property email?
got hit with an ad, bro.
Everywhere. I see. How old are you? Your age. I know your age. I have a theory. I don't know what it is. But I do know what it is. 33, they're kind of young. I feel like it's the young kids who think that there's no such thing as cheap houses. Say, bro, you just gotta move to Ohio. You gotta move to, like, Idaho. You ever thought about living in Kansas City? You know, Big Mike? I can hook you up with Big Mike. You know, I got Midwest Finest out in Flint and all the other areas. But there's cheap-ass houses, bro. There's cheap-ass houses. Idaho, hella expensive. I'm saying, it's there. It's there. You gotta be willing to live in there. You gotta move where that. That's seriously. So, like, I even remember, bro, like, even in California, there was places that were cheaper in California, and I bought them all up. That's what I did. I've been telling you that for a decade. There was places where 50 minutes, 30 minutes outside of LA, San Diego, it was considered it was the cheap-ass houses that were 100 grand, 200 grand. Now they're all going for $1 million. It's the same thing. I agree with David 100%. If you are young right now, or you are mid-age, whatever you want to call it, and you are looking for that real estate opportunity, and you got to move out to where the housing is cheap. You won't find the cheap housing and take it, but if you want a $10 square foot, you want sold-out movie theater, you want a beach, you want all these nice things. I mean, it's really costly, but there's an abundance of affordable housing in the United States below the price of $250,000, which means it's less than a couple thousand bucks, not even $2,000 a month, I think, for mortgage. I'm talking like $100,000 houses. The data, where is it? Now it's Fed -20. So Fed managed, it's actually very low, but better than the peak low of -29. Honestly, funds are not too much off of it. I see Meta keeps selling off, and then Airbnb's going red.
Yup. Not much to do. Dollar, middle of the range. VIX, middle of the range. Gold, close to overbought. Dollar, yen, close to overbought, but coming off of overbought. S&P, kind of in the middle. 2-year yield is oversold, so that is bearish for bonds, short-term bonds. 10-year yield is getting towards almost oversold, but it's in the middle. Nasdaq kind of in the middle. RBOB gasoline in the middle. Corn oversold. Wheat oversold for sure. Copper overbought for sure. Crude oil a little overbought. Ethereum kind of in the middle of the range. Euro dollar middle of the range, and then natural gas middle of the range. So just not much to do right now.
Twist Bioscience, what is this? TWST? It's down another $1. It says not loaded. Shares. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a big flush. I printed the whole little ticker. Could be data. It looks like a little biotech one. I have not looked into it. I don't know anything about that. Twist is an arc light, really? So again, that has been selling off here for someone the whole morning. What's up, Meta is that man? Microsoft's coming down. Right? I'm surprised a lot of you guys highs below VWAP kind of coming down. That TWST still dropping. And I keep it separate. And shares, long-term options, separate them. Tell them. What, buy multifamily? Yeah. Buy everything. Honestly, though, even then, I feel like I bought it less than I did last year. But I'm still very hesitant. Like, I like a lot of things, but I'm just all about the prices. I'll buy anything if it's cheap enough. To the day,
Cold everywhere.
The same thing I am doing with the stock market is exactly what I'm doing with real estate. Where again, I'm looking for the value, and I'm going for the value there. I do keep getting outbid, yeah, 100%. But at the same time, I have gotten a couple too. But it just, I'm very, very specific on what I want and the prices. All I buy is single family. I only buy, multifamily if I'm buying apartment complexes or multiple. It's all single family. I don't buy commercial. I'm not really into it. I have 4 commercial deals right now on my table, and I like all of them, but I'm only willing to buy them at 50% cheaper. They're all distressed already. They're already discounted 30%, and I don't want them unless they're way cheaper. That's not my field. But residential, any piece of residential I've picked up has not hurt me at all. Knock on wood, finger to the sky, to God be the glory. But and just residential, I've been telling you that for a while, and I do believe in it. And I think that's kind of the broader trend of where it's at. Supply to me, that's residential. The 4-unit, same thing. Just anything people can live in, not stuff to rent in, commercial leasing. It's just not. I do think there's great opportunities. Don't get it twisted, but I just think there's a lot more safety in residential. U.S. natural gas liquid production rises by 3,000 barrels in May. SoFi Noto says the deposits are critical in driving profit. Yeah. Biogen, EXEI, what is that, Snapchat? Dude, Snapchat's up 6. That's actually crazy now. Crazy. We're halfway. So you're about $1 away from earnings. And then Disney kind of wants 89. Yeah, 88.60. Doing good for now. Earnings are always been choppy. Again, last week, we had a credit reports and earnings list, all the back and forth, the events, why is he doing this, why is he doing that. It's like, it's all hurting. And then you see it now, even for the yen. All right, nobody gives a shit. Everybody is really focused on earnings. And just wait for the next step. So, I would just get that out the way again. Apple, Amazon on Thursday, but really just find out. So it's earnings, PMI, CPI, and then we'll just see what happens with the 2-year and the 10-year. Because that's the main theme right now.
So yeah, just like T-Mobile signaling to buy, which I already bought today.
After all of this stuff, do the yields go above 4% on the 10-year? You know what I'm saying? Does the 2-year snap above 5%?
No ETFs are signaling
All money is
long.
especially if we're not reacting to Bank of Japan yet.
No inverse ETFs are signaling long either. Just T-Mobile, and nothing with over like 1 million volume and 500 million market cap.
Pump it up is very close, yeah. I don't know. We've already given it to you up 2,600, but we'll see. Russia court rejects Kremlin critic Vladimir Kara-Murza's appeal over jail sentence. My TD is up, but I haven't tried. I haven't tried to do anything. Dude, we're up $2 a share on Disney now. That's what it says. Good start. earnings coming up, but they are a little bit lower comparatively. Yeah, the video's holding. They are. That's why I bought it. Again, and the video's up like it's up at like
Blah blah. Steve Jobs. Blah blah blah.
from his last earnings. Disney keeps going. Oh, Roku's still moving. So we'll see if we get $89 on Disney. So then 90 is the next level. Goldman's on the high. Roku calmed down a little bit. Goldman and financials are starting to move. XLF. Nvidia Blitz. We're at 470. I like every major $25 level. 475, 450, 500. Yeah, I'm already out of it, but I still like to play. Remember they report what in 2 days. Walmart on the low. Staples are down 0.4. SoFi says guidance still assumes a modest recession. NATO says net charge-offs down sequentially. I'm looking at SoFi. His comments are helping. So none of this stuff Teledoc guy is saying. I mean, it looks like it's going out. Yeah, Teledoc's running up here. Fat spread on the option, but once again, your options are up. SoFi comments done on CNBC. Is up 20. Roku chilled out. A lot of runners. The smaller caps 50-50 in terms of what's actually launching, but you have a lot of smaller just killers here today.
Huh.
You could use YCL as an instrument for trading the yen. Yes, that's exactly why it was created. So again, YCL is just an ETF that holds yen position. Teledoc like Teledoc.
Looks like Niger is blocking uranium exports to France.
Nikolai now is on the high, then there's GM.
So Niger had a coup a couple days ago, I guess, couple weeks ago. I think we're still in the days ago recency. So they have, and because France is still a colonizer of Africa, they, I guess, were getting the majority of the uranium export. And not that they wouldn't anyway, because, they are the biggest market that close. But yeah, so apparently it's like a quarter of France's uranium input comes from Niger. So Jaguar Analytics says bullish Cameco. Probably, we'll see. I should have uranium in my watch list. Yep. I've got URA and URMM. So whenever it gets oversold and it's bullish, I will buy it. But no sense in just rushing to go buy it now because of the headline. Because it takes time for real world things to materialize and then be reflected in the earnings.
What's this? What is this? I own a lot of assets. I have a lot of equity. I will stack up a little bit of cash, but I recognize that this opportunity offers a great opportunity for diversification. But that being said, like any idea of where I stand, I don't believe in a soft landing, and that I can say very simply to you. You know what I'm saying? It's I don't. There's no question about it.
Why is it no one believes in a soft landing? Why is it everyone's so bullish, everyone's so bearish on everything, but the market keeps going up? I mean, a broken clock is right eventually. So, yeah, eventually there's going to be a rate of change slowing of probably everything. Are we at that point? Could be. But I think this whole 3-year COVID period really showed a lot about kind of the mainstream financial narratives, how people really don't care about other people, and this whole inflation narrative nonsense, and how the Fed handles spending when it should be Congress, and when we finally let Congress handle it, you get this massive expansion in the economy in terms of nominal GDP. But, the things that matter are standard of living, end of life quality, that type of stuff, child health care, child care, all that. That's what matters. And so soft landing, hard landing, that stuff doesn't make any sense, because when Congress can appropriate the funds towards the part of American society, short-term pain is not a problem. Because like that tweet earlier, if we can build it, we can fund it. There's no limit to what we can fund. We'll never run out of money. It just needs to be worthwhile. So that's why hard landing, soft landing, inflation, Fed needs to raise rates, unemployment needs to go up. I just think all that stuff is so brutal unnecessarily.
Separate news, or are we talking the same? That's part of it. So that's what the Michael Gapin guy was saying about Bank of America, and just this is what the feeling you get even into the soft landing, you are gonna get people are gonna feel very optimistic. It's happened every single time. But this is the fucked up shit I kept saying last week. What if it does realize into it though? What if we pre-order the rally and then everything comes into fruition like Elon's Cybertruck? So that's all. That's the point of why we don't know what's gonna happen. We gotta stay flexible. We gotta have, we gotta be open enough. Diversification is how we're gonna make it through, and just take a cue from the Fed, from the pace that they're operating on. Hunt and Mara, they're running up there. Disney about to go to 89 now. Yeah, 25 right now. 25 G's? 25 there. But either way, I like it. This is when you're supposed to be buyers. This is a better chance to buy it now when it's lower. Versus 25 shares are you're good. I agree, but at the same time, I'm just going to be diversified. That's it. So it's even if I'm saying soft, if I'm saying
Okay. T-Mobile is no longer signaling on my watch list, so there is no long stock to buy, no long ETF to buy either. no inverse ETF to buy either. So there's nothing to do, nothing to buy right now. Only think about trimming.
I still have a long term, and I'm going to put myself in a win. That's one. So that's kind of how I'm getting to it. It's like, you can have your opinion, you can be, I'm agnostic of what market price will do. I just do not believe in a soft landing. And then we'll see. But if I'm wrong, I'm not going to make it.
Oh, well, fuck. Okay, so XHS. Okay, so I sold for small profit. Very small. But I'm out. Yeah. That's when liquidity worked against me.
Coin and juice. Crypto's going crazy right now. Something happened there. Again, last 5-7 minutes. Coin ripping up here to 99. Mara, I think Bitcoin futures might be going nuts here too. Find this thing. Chill. Oh, that's weird. Whoa. Bitcoin's not even moving. The Bitcoin futures aren't even moving, and now these coin crypto plays, they're all going nuts. And then solar is all getting a candle. Enphase, Max N, First Solar. If they're wrong, our LP should go up. If they're right, there should, and then at the same time, too, if we are right though, in the long term, we should have a little bit. You see what I'm saying?
Drink all my water. No, I can't have my allergy pill.
If we are right, then maybe it takes 3 years to develop, 2 years, your dividends should pay you more than the time you were waiting. So it's like there should be 1 or 2 points to put up on the board for every point that goes against you. And that's where I'm trying to say. That's how we want to be. And then the best thing, and here's the best part. The idea is to not get caught with your pants down. You see what I'm saying? Like a bullish, bearish, one way or the not. We're not going to get caught out totally missing something. And it just, we're going to have a little bit of everything to bring in the table. Now, crypto was going nuts, and then I'm waiting for the crypto, the Bitcoin candle to come up then. We shouldn't be talking about it, but then again, it is almost 2024. April, it's close actually, damn.
So we're just chilling up 10 basis points for the day. S&P is up 12. NASDAQ is up 19. The Dow is up 11. My worst positions are UHS, Universal Health Services, and ROL Rollins.
Google is waking up now also, and then Meta still down. Snap is still up. There's Microsoft. NFB kept going. No not, no out. Yeah, right now. The big one reporting after hours is Arista today, then Zoom Info, then Core, then China. I think Arista's big.
Oh, apparently Ford reports tonight, so I probably should have bought it. Yeah, it's already sold. It's already up too much. Still, I mean, I don't know. Best case scenario, you gain. I don't know. We'll see. Best case, it gets to like 15, 30. That's a good trade, but yeah, I don't know. Something about the old car manufacturers just like don't sit right with me. Like, I like Toyota, but only for a price. Not where it is now, I don't think. Oh, for fucking sure, not where it is now. Toyota is like the most bullish thing ever at the top end of its range as well. Toyota is literally at the top end of its range. And then there's Ford, the lagger. All right, got about 3 more minutes before I'm gonna get ready to go. Yep, nothing to buy. Gotta water them plants. Damn, now wheat is absolutely puking. Guess that's a sign of slowing demand. Don't know. UHS is it's right in the middle of its range for the day. Okay, so I've got Arista for tomorrow. Yeah, it's at the low end of the range. A.m. Technology is calls are slightly less expensive than puts. Yeah, QQQ not offering the best price on calls relative to puts. Calls are still a better option for Qs, S&P, XLK, Amazon, Apple, Meta, but it's not as good as it was like last week. So I'm not gonna load the boat. Not gonna load the boat on Arista. I'm just gonna hold on to the shares that I have. Hope for the best, of course. That looks like about all I'm gonna be able to do today. One more swing through, TPX, Temper Sealy. We'll see. How does that look? They've got earnings in a couple days. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. I'm going to buy some TPX. TPX. Okay, got a little bit of that. Okay, TPX. Anything else? No hedges. No other longs. No ETFs. Okay. Okay, Temper Sealy will be the last buy. Any sales to make? I thought I was going to dump that, right? iGov. It's coming off the low end of the range. I'm going to trim iGov. I don't have to get rid of it. Okay, trimmed a little. And everything else is going to be for later.